Hillary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, most of the roads that stalled, Mr. Speaker, are roads which were designed through marginalization. And the roads the minister is trying to solve, Mr. Speaker, are the roads that were constructed
Hillary,
by...
you are not the minister.
Sorry, sir.
Ask a
I
question.
want to ask the question, Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
So, Mr. Speaker, I come from...
has the capacity to answer questions.
I come from Kipkelian constituency, Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
and there is a road that is a security road. When there is demonstration and these people of ODM decide to close Awasi, we lose a lot of patients who are supposed to be taken to referral hospital. And we have asked the government of Kenya to construct a security road that will link us to Eldoret without necessarily going through Awasi. And I'm talking about Kericho County, which for the last 5 years didn't get a single tarmac. And if you talk about marginalization, Mr. Speaker, it is the worst marginalized county in the previous regime. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm asking what the minister is doing to help the situation in Kericho.
Omolher. Omolher.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. On the issue of marginalization, I want to understand the criteria used to allocate these resources, because the cabinet secretary is aware of the challenges, and that's why the other day when he came to Garissa, for example, the roads were inaccessible. That's why you had to fly in. Maybe next year when you come, that issue should not be there. You can drive down, and that has to come from the efforts and the goodwill from your side. But I want to understand why a particular county is able to get 1.8, and when I looked at the allocation for Garissa, it's at 100 million.
1.8 what?
So my concern is, if the need is there, why can't allocations be made as per the needs? Because this creates issues of insecurity. IEDs are planted not in tarmac roads, but roads that are maram and not tarmac. So maybe